Wirex Credit Card Review. The Wirex card offers international spending power, without the steep exchange fees. In addition to free international ATM withdrawals, this card is compatible with more than 150 currencies, and is accepted at more than 54 million outlets across the globe, including online and in-store merchants. Wirex uses staked tokens called WXT to fund your account, and provide access to benefits. Wirex also introduces a new kind of reward system called cryptoback, that gives you 2% back in WXT rewards, for eligible in-store purchases only. If you refer new members, Wirex offers additional $10 in Bitcoin rewards. That is in addition to the standard 1.5% back on eligible in-store purchases. Wirex features a straightforward fee schedule, with no annual fee. However, there is a transaction fee of 2.5% that can eat into your total rewards. There are no fees for fiat-to-fiat exchanges, and there are 18 currencies that all enjoy exclusive over-the-counter or interbank rates. You will pay a 1% fee to fund your account with cryptocurrencies. Wirex also has its own app, allowing you to set instant alerts, track your spending, and maintain a budget. It is an easy and more affordable way to switch from one currency to another while you are traveling, allowing for more streamlined global purchases, no matter where you are in the world. Pros: multiple cryptocurrencies, minimal fees, Bitcoin rewards. Cons: must maintain Wirex WXT balance, limited reward structure, native token based.